It's again a challenge between these kind of issues versus livelihood of the people. And if you remember last time in the assembly session also, there were a lot of concerns about the mining activities and how livelihood is being affected. So as a government, we have worked out and managed to see how we maintain the balance between livelihood and impact on this thing. But there are certain levels and points at which we have to draw a line. And obviously, we need to keep the larger goal and large interest of water conservation and other factors of environment higher than other factors. And hence, a lot of steps have been taken. We have made certain mining in certain areas, illegal in one way, and so those mining areas, the minings have stopped. In certain areas, it started again, but then again, we've taken measures to stop it. So these kind of things are happening, but slowly and steadily, we are seeing that these areas which are affected and which are affecting the water supply, we are able to contain the mining activities in that to a large extent, but not completely 100%. But the efforts are on, and we can assure everybody that we will ensure that that all these activities which are affecting the different sources of water are also taken care of, and any kind of activities of illegal mining taking place in these areas is also stopped.